Hello there. Today in this class, we are going to see types of AI agents. Agent can be grouped into 5 classes based on the degree and perceived intelligence and capabilities. All these agents can improve their performance, generate better action over time. They are given below. Let me go through it. They are simple, simple reflex agent, model-based reflex agent, goal-based agent, utility-based agent, learning agents. So agent is divided into 5 classes which are available here. We are going to see each and every one step by step. The first step is that simple reflex agent. The first step is the simple reflex agent or simple agent. This agent takes decision based on current situation, based on what percepts tell, but based on what sensors tell. Okay, these agents only succeed fully. They do things in a fully observed environment. What do you mean by fully observed? Like you are playing, you are moving in a car. You can able to observe fully environment, or you are in your home, you can able to observe fully environment of your house. You can able to tell which item is available at which place. If you are driving in a car, you can able to tell up, you are observing a road and you can able to tell up which, what is the speed of a car, how much speed I have to go it, or something like that. If you miss anything, you know what will happen is accident will happen. If you miss anything in your home, you have to search of them. That is the concept of fully observed. A simple reflex agent does not consider any part of history. We are not considering any part of a history. We are not doing anything about the history. And it will also use if then rule. So the simple reflex agent will only do on current part, current plus if then rule. There is no history in this one. Let's move on to the next slide. The diagram is about, you have got an environment available here, you got an environment available here, and then you got percept, that is nothing but your senses of what the world knows it and what action to be taken, and there is a condition available. If that condition is available, then only the action is taken away. This is your current situation as explained here. Now for an example, if the room temperature is more than 45, switch on the AC. If the room temperature is more than 45, switch on the AC. We are not bothered about who is there in the room, what are the component in the room, is room is locked, is room is open or not. We are only sensing it is fully observed, and if this condition is satisfied, then the AC is on. This is what if then rule says is, and this is what a simple agent says it. It is based on the current situation. What is the current situation? The temperature is 45, switch on the AC. It's not going to take on any history. The next part is model based reflex agent. Model based reflex agent will take into consideration current plus history. The difference between model based agent is nothing but it will take current plus history, and it has got how things in the world is there, how things in the world it will take it, and the next part is that it is also take into history. This which is the knowledge of the world. This agent have the model which is around the surrounding of the model and how they are going to perform. The major part is that it is used in partially observed environment. It is used in partially observed environment. What do you mean by partially observed environment? Where nothing but you are playing a cards, the cards are partially observed. When the person puts the card to you, then only you can able to see what's going on, which card is going to come to you and everything. This is what it's not fully observed, means you cannot see all the things here. You can able to see little things here, and we have got a diagram which is available here. We have got an environment, we have got a percepts, and this is the state, how worlds evolve in it, what action to be taken in. This is what a history is. This is what it is, history is, and it is also on if then condition. Correct? This is also if then condition. Example about a car which is also there. Now it move on a car. What is the condition? It has to know which is the road map you are going on. It is fully observed, It is not observing fully observed. You are just going on a car, you are driving a car based on your history, based on your history. If you are going on a road on a particular car, you are driving a car. Example is that you are driving a car and you are going on a particular road, you know the history, and you based on the current situation, based on the what are the means, if there is a right turn or wrong turn, you know all the histories. Based on that you are applying brakes and everything. This is the example, and it is based on partially observed environment. There are two things in this observe. Please do remember, we have to model based reflex agent works on a current plus history plus it is partially observed environment, and this is the block diagram for it, and the example which I have shown you, a driver driving a car. The next more part is that goal based agent. This is goal based agent, which says that what is that, current plus previous history plus what will be the output, what will be the output, what will be the output if I do this situation, what will be the output. So it is taking current state, it is taking previous state, and it is knowing to what will be the output. It is the extension of model based agent. It is the extension of model based agent where have your current plus history, but here also we also know what will be the output of that one. The agent need to know the goal, what is nothing but what is the goal, where you are going to do. Goal based agent expand the capability of model based, like goal information. They choose the action so that they can achieve the goal. So they know what will be the input, they know what will be the output. The diagram is such a condition. We have got an environment here, we have got an environment, and what the world, you have already history is available to you, how the world involved, what action to be the, what will be the output. Like a robot which is delivering a envelope. Robot knows what it is delivering, a robot knows where it is going to deliver it. You give a house number, it is goes there and it will deliver that one. Robot knows, if you tell them, if you are programming in such a way that it has to put this data so and so, if a cabin there, it knows what will be the output, where it has to put it. So this is what model based agent, this is what a goal based agent will do it. The next part is that utility based agent. What is the utility based agent? It is nothing but a extension. You have current, you have got history, you have got output, plus how the best way you can able to achieve the goal, optimized way you are going to achieve the goal. We have know what will be the output, but we don't know how the output, the best way the output will be achieved to you. So utility based agent act based on not only on goal but on the best way to achieve, the best way to reach the goal. Utility based useful when there are multiple possible solution and you need to reach a particular destination with minimum distance. Correct? Like I told you of Google Map. So here what we have got the same thing, sensors, state, history, and this is what utility. If you just go back to here, look, we have got goal, and these are all history, what action should be taken and everything. Here what is that? Utility. So what is the best option we are going to take? This is what your utility based agent will do it. The next part is learn agent, learning based on experience. Learning agent is an AI type of agent which can learn from past experience, which can able to learn from past experience. The start to act with basic knowledge, then it will able to learn from that one, and it is going to improve the knowledge. So it starts from basics and it will go to the advanced level. It will start from basic and it will go to the advanced level. And then learning part has about four parts. One is learning element. It is learning to new things. Critics based on the feedback, error and everything. Performance element, a responsibility of selecting. Problem generated, if there is any component that is responsible for suggestion, it will take that experiment based on that experiment. It has got about 4 component: learning new things, critics based on the experiments, based on the feedback, performance. It is responsible for selection, external element, problem generators. Then the diagram is, hence the learning agent can learn from this one. What action to be taken, what are the critics, what feedback we have to learning from, what we have to do it, problem, how to do that problem. So this is all the block diagram of your what you call this is about learning agent. This is the block diagram of learning agent. So in this video I have covered about different types of agent: simple agent, model based agent, goal based agent, utility based agent, and a learning agent. Thank you very much.